In this video, I will be showing you how to create a data summary visual in Napkin AI. To get started, I'll select the option to create by describing my idea. I'm going to paste in a short description of my Q1 performance results and Q2 priorities. Then I'll click Next to let the AI generate the content. As the document populates, I can see the AI has structured my notes into clear sections like user retention and organic reach. I'll scroll through to make sure everything looks correct. Now, to make this data more engaging, I'll click the visual icon next to my performance highlights. This opens the AI suggestions panel on the left where I can choose the specific style I want. I have several categories to pick from, but for this data, I'll look through the data and chart options. Once I've selected a style, I can also choose from several different designs within that category to find the perfect layout. After clicking on my preferred design, it appears right in the document. Now I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'll start by ungrouping the visual so I can move and edit individual elements freely. I want to change the font of the title to Roboto to give it a cleaner look. Next, I'll customize the colors of the bars to better represent each metric, selecting a new green and a vibrant yellow. I can even adjust the brightness and opacity of each color to make the information stand out. It's a simple way to turn text into a professional graphic. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a data summary visual in Napkin AI.